Alrighty, everybody, we got this ready to go. The new one installed. We still have to put the foot peg on there. I got Nova over here making noise. So next we're gonna do is the radiator. Frame already started loosening it up a little bit. We're gonna loosen the clamps on the hose. We're gonna pull it down, put the new one in. So we'll put that on a time lapse so you guys can check it out. So anyways, on these here, you gotta loosen this at the top, at the bottom here, and these two over here at the top here, hose, these clamps, screw on the top, and then it'll come down. So we got it off. One thing I did forget to mention is you have to unplug. You'll have to unplug this later for the thermostat here for the sensor, but you definitely have to unplug the fan, which this plug is right here, so you don't break it when you go to pull it off. But we got it off. Now we're gonna take everything off, all the accessories off of that, and we're gonna install it in the brandy new one. Look at that, nice and shiny. So let's get it. All right, guys, another thing not to forget is the rubber grommets that go in here. They look like this. You must remove and you must put them on the new one, but looks like the new one has them actually. Yeah. So if you didn't have them, let's say you bought a used one and didn't have it, you have to remove it. But like I said, once you take it off, if it already brings them, you still have to put the metal pieces that go inside the grommet there. So don't forget that, very crucial, because once you are gonna mount it and these aren't in there, the screw or the bolt's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna hold it in place. This is for the bottom. So that's it, man. We're gonna keep changing everything else, all the pieces, the fan that's left, that's the only thing left, and then we're gonna mount it on. Another thing, guys, once you unmount the fan, the cooling fan, these are mounted right here to catch the screws. Make sure you remove them and you place them on the new radiator. So it's gonna go, it looks like it's gonna go like this, bro. Dang it, right there. That goes at the bottom. Yeah, you see it? Yeah. Right there. Perfect. Yep, just like that. Now you can mount the fan up to it. Go ahead, hold the radiator, yep. Put the fan, and you can start catching it like this. Yeah, right there. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna mount the radiator back on. We're gonna fill her up. She needs a new battery, so we'll probably go pick one up when we get lunch here in a little bit, and get her going. Alright, Bobby. Yeah, perfect. Go over here.
No, that's how it. No, it goes.
No, it goes like that.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You go up with it now.
Yeah.
How's that looking over there?
How we okay.
You might have to push a little bit. Like that. There you go.
Plug it over there.
Yeah, let me push back a little bit. Let me see. You got it there?
Yeah, I got it.
Like push it my way a little bit so it opens up a little bit. Alright. Let me see. Because it's not going the way I want it to go. Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Perfect. You got a screw or you need one? New bolt?
Yeah.
Come on. Whoa, this one's a little wire. So you see it? Try to catch the hole. Might be a little hard at first. Just try to line it up the best you can.
This cable's not that.
almost catching it over here. Once I catch it over here, then I'll let you do your thing over there. You can move it all types of way once you catch it over there.
I'm gonna fall asleep there, huh?
You got the temperature. Tighten your side first. I'll start putting the hoses back while you do that. You know, guys, what I'm gonna do is too. I'm gonna put a little lube, a little grease right here on the where the hose is gonna go. That way, it's just smooth when you go to take it out. If you ever have to replace it here. You don't have to cake it on. You literally just put like a little dab on there and call it a day.